Hi all, this is Sheetal Sangvi and I welcome you all once again to my channel Sangvi Childcare Center. Today's video is really special for me because today is Mother's Day and along with me there are 8 other mothers who are here to share their views in terms of what all activities are they doing during this quarantine and lockdown and their perception about their children during this lockdown period. So, if you are a mom and you want more ideas in terms of what all you can do with your children, then you should see this video till the end. And as far as children are concerned, all the age group have been catered right from toddlerhood till teenager. So, definitely you will get some inputs from the other mothers. Please watch.
Hello, I am Deepika Sharma. I work as a development officer in LIC and my daughter Erika is 3 years old. Being a metropolitan kid, my kid has got the habit of going to the restaurants, play zones, swimming pools or beach, somewhere or the other on the weekends. Not to mention school and play areas are the part of daily routines. Well, the hardships of these times are known to everyone when the whole world is under the pressure of COVID-19. Whereas in this distressing scenario, when we can't even leave our houses, it's really abstruse for the kids. So as a mother, I'm really trying to cope up with full zeal in this situation. I'm trying to get involved in all the activities my little one likes to do, like playing hide and seek, painting, reading stories, etc. And I also include her in all the household chores with me, like baking a cake, dusting, anything at all. I feel that the kids are far more resilient than we think that they are. So yeah, I'm really trying to bring the best out of this distressing quarantine phase. Thank you.
Hi, myself Deepa Parekh. By profession, I'm a clinical psychologist and a mother of 3 years, 6 months old, beautiful and a charming daughter. During this lockdown, first thing knocked my mind is what I will do with her staying at home. But we planned out many activities we both enjoy as mother and daughter. We do a lot of craft activities, painting, clay activities. We play with blocks. We create models with the blocks. We have different kind of paper activities. We do paper tearing, paper crumpling, paper balling. Even we make a storytelling session with full family. We have a narration of the stories at the end of the day, whatever we did throughout the day. We ask each other, how was your day? How did you felt throughout the day? Which was the best part of the day? We play hide and seek. We play pillow fight. With Dada, she plays Ghoda Ghoda. With Daddy, she plays cricket. One thing as a mother I realized during this lockdown is a child never needs things to be played with. They need a loving family and lot of affection from the family. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Neha Shah. I have a 6-year-old daughter and interesting which I'm doing. I'm trying to be more creative and imaginative person like she is. Loves to use her imaginations and creatives in pretend and play, in story, in her art. So I'm playing with her in her pretend and play. Like today she has opened one shop in which she was selling juices and ice cream and many more food items, and I was a customer. So we were playing like for good 30 minutes, and she loves to do art and craft. So I am searching all the things on YouTube, and I am trying to be more artistic with her. So yeah, we are passing our day very happily. She is also very happy.
So we saw how beautifully Deepika, Deepa and Neha express the way they are involving their children in daily course, bonding time is happening and pretend play is happening. So I'm very happy that art is also an integral part of most of the families by now. And I would take this opportunity to share that what all I have been doing with my daughter Kiara. She is 2 years, 8 months. So art has always been a part of our life, and she likes to do anything which is related to household activities. But two new things which has happened thanks to the lockdown is, one is generally my lunch used to get prepared before she used to wake up, that is in the daily routine, earlier routine, I mean to say. Now, when she wakes up, that's the time my kitchen also starts. So she is always present in the kitchen when lunch is going on. She asks so many questions, her curiosity is fulfilled. There are times, when I actually give her beans and I give her pulses and she keeps on playing with that. Then making rotis is a fascination for her. So she sits with dough and atta, and she sits with a rolling pin, and she keeps on making her rotis for 30, 35, 40 minutes. And second thing which has come in her is pretend play. Pretend play generally comes at the age of 3, but there are times when she comes with all her soft toys in our passage, in the kitchen. She sits with them, she talks to them, she converses, she sings songs for them. In fact, there are storybooks which she reads for her soft toys also. So this is one more new thing which has come, and it's beautiful. So yeah, lockdown has brought in certain changes, and we have been able to kind of lead this time in a beautiful manner. And not a single day she has demanded that no, I want to go out. And of course she kinds of remember things, because our kids like to go to different places. Outdoor activities were always part of her life, so she asks us, but she is not cranky, she's not irritated, and she's able to take it the way it is coming. So like I said, there are 8 mothers, so we have 5 more mothers who will share with you. Stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Vindhya, and I'm a mother of 2 beautiful girls, aged 3 and 7. And they have been an absolute joy during this lockdown period, the quarantine, whatever you call. Thing is, why? Let me tell you, because say now this lockdown has been like an extended holiday for them, an extended vacation where they are getting to spend a lot of time with family, bonding, learning new things. My daughter has developed this interest in cooking. She helps, no housemaids, no help, so there is a lot of help from her side where she helps me cook, she helps me clean. New activity is baking these days, and there's nothing different that I'm doing. We used to do activities earlier, but just that the kind of time, the attention that they are getting from us in this time has been the best gift for them. They don't care about going out and playing, missing things, but the attention is what they are loving.
Hello great moms, I am Meghna Dave, mother of a teenage daughter and 7 years old son. This lockdown period has made me realize that the patience level of me and my kids are not only being tested but increasing many folds. Also, this time has given me an opportunity to teach my children to value all the things which are available very easily to them. Also, as a family, it's not only important to love each other but also to manage a bored teenage, a hyperactive kid. It was a great challenge to channelize all the energies of my younger one. Also, as a mother, I feel loving children is equally important, but from time to time we have to make them realize that what is wrong and what is right. As if we require a plant to flourish properly, we have to care for it, but trimming it on time to time is equally important.
Hello everyone, myself Mehtab Sheikh, and I am mother of 2 children, age 14-year-old and 9-year-old. I would like to share a bit about this quarantine time spent with my children. As you all know, these holidays are different than any other vacations. Everything around is shut, and children are seeing the parents do all the household activities alone. So my own kids have started realizing the amount of work done by me at home. They have started helping me in small household activities like cleaning veggies, dusting, and folding their own clothes, and cooking a little bit with me. So this all has made it easier for us to explain them, that there is no work which is small, and everybody has to do all their works by themselves. And all these activities was not easy or possible prior, as they used to always be busy with some or the other school activities or some other classes activities. But now I believe whatever the learning part is going on will definitely help them in their self grooming. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Suchi. I'm a mother to a 7-year-old boy. His name is Shlok. During this lockdown, life is going to be as we make it out to be. So I am making the most of it by spending very good quality time with my son, of course with the family as well. But I'm a working woman, so I get to spend very little time, and that too quality time only over the weekends. So now that there are weekends every day, I make the most of it by spending, say for instance, playing board games, playing Jenga, reading with my son. So it's going great. Fortunately, I've been able to ask him to help me with the daily course. So he helps me with setting up of the dining table during lunch and dinner. He helps me by wiping vessels after I have washed them. So these are a few chores that I could think of now. So yes, I am not only grooming him study-wise, but able to groom him to be participative in family activities, family chores, and eventually be a good human being as well. So yes, that's about it, and making the most of the lockdown now. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mansi Ranawat. My son Lily is 5 years old. During this lockdown period, the one best activity I'm doing with my A is watching cartoon with him. By watching the cartoon, I've frequently asked him a question about the cartoon characters, his likes, his dislikes, what cartoon character is doing is good or bad, right or wrong. With this thing, I got to know his perceptions about cartoon, about people, and the bonding will create while we sit together, talk together, watch together. Then asking him questions like why you are doing this, what happened to you, whatever you have done is right or wrong, and probably this asking question, relating with the cartoon, and doing other exercises like dancing, yoga, reverse counting, and making him realize whatever you're doing is right or wrong. It is very important. He have learned that. Now sometimes he came to me, Mama, whatever I have done which was wrong, I'm really sorry about it. And this is what I feel happy. Something we have done. He at least understood his emotions, his feelings, and he's trying to control it. So thank you so much for this.
Wow! Isn't this beautiful? I'm sure you all got connected to what each mother said. Bindya, Mehtab, Suchi, Meghna, and Mansi. So every mother is saying something that they have inculcated in their child, be it bonding, be it giving more attention, teaching values, giving children to do a lot of household activities. But we all have realized one thing. There is one thing in common amongst all the 9 mothers, including me, that when you talk about children, they don't need any expensive toys. They don't need any valuable things all the time. What they need is us, our time. And if we channelize them in a proper manner, then things are sorted. So, I would like to wish all the mothers who are watching this video Happy Mother's Day. Motherhood is a beautiful journey, and we should be proud to be a mother. A mother is like a stream who knows when to take or when to change the direction when stones are in front of her. So that is what power of motherhood is all about. So I wish you all more power. and this video is made so that you all realize जो आपका हाल है वो सबका हाल है. And in the end, I would like to thank all the mothers who were part of this video. Because of you, I am able to give so many mothers such valuable information, and I'm sure what each one of you spoke, there is some mother sitting out there who's been able to relate to you. So thank you so much. And for all of you who have not subscribed to my channel, I request you, please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Do share in your circle. I'm coming up with a lot of series, entire series of parenting in coming future. Stay tuned and also follow us on Facebook, Instagram. You can also ping me on WhatsApp. And if you wish to be a part of our community, we have our own community wherein we have different topics each day on WhatsApp community. So the number will be flashing towards the end. Please ping me. And thank you so much. Once again, happy Mother's Day. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.